kami na lang mag...
Yaon na daan kaya.
Yaon na si ano?
Yaon na si ano?
NCS?
Lang sa gate na rin. Yaon si Daisy.
Okay lang.
Pero Daisy na na ipadiskarga.
Nakakonect na kita sa iya.
Makakonect pa lang, nakalak naman.
The second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for